Hey, how are you doing? It's been a while since we caught up.
I'm good, thanks. Yeah, I've been really busy lately. How about you? What's been keeping you occupied?
Well, I've started a new job. I work as a software developer now. It's quite challenging, but I enjoy it. How about you?
That's awesome. Congratulations on the new job. As for me, I've been studying for my exams. I'm pursuing a degree in psychology.
That sounds interesting. How do you find the course so far?
It's been really fascinating. I learn a lot about human behavior and the mind. I also volunteer at a local clinic twice a week. It's a great way to gain practical experience.
That's fantastic. Helping others is always rewarding. Apart from work and studies, have you been doing anything else?
Well, I've been trying to stay active. I've started going to the gym regularly. It's been great for my physical and mental well-being. I also go for a jog every morning.
That's a good habit to have. I should join you sometime. Speaking of habits, I've recently taken up cooking. I try out new recipes every weekend.
That's impressive. What kind of dishes have you made so far?
I've experimented with various cuisines. I made pasta from scratch, tried my hand at sushi, and even baked a cake. It's a lot of fun and helps me relax after a long week.
That sounds amazing. I would love to taste your culinary creations someday. By the way, do you watch any TV shows or movies in your free time?
Absolutely. I'm currently binge-watching a popular series on Netflix. It's a thrilling crime drama. I find it quite gripping.
Oh, I've heard about that series. I'll have to check it out. As for me, I enjoy watching documentaries and reading books in my spare time.
That's great. It's always good to keep learning and expanding our knowledge. Speaking of books, I just finished reading a fascinating novel. It's a thought-provoking story about time travel.
Oh, I love books that make you think. I'll definitely add it to my reading list. By the way, how's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. My parents are enjoying their retirement, and my younger brother is preparing for his college entrance exams.
That's nice to hear. Give them my regards. Well, it's been great catching up with you, but I have to head home now. Let's plan to meet up again soon.
Absolutely. It was wonderful chatting with you. Take care, and see you soon.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.